Today we are learning simple sentence. So let's start it. I am happy.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am happy.
The dog is big.
The dog is big.
The dog is big.
The dog is big.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Thank you. Dad is home.
Dad is home.
My dad is home.
My dad is home.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can jump.
You can jump?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
The bird can fly.
The bird can fly.
The bird is fly.
The bird is fly.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
You have ball?
No.
No. The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
Do you like bird?
Yes.
Okay. I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
When do you see the moon? At night.
At night.
The car is yellow.
The car is yellow.
The car is yellow.
The car is yellow.
Do you like yellow car?
Yes, but this golden.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
I love my dad.
Do you love me?
Yes,
Thank you.
I love dad.
I am a good boy.
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 The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
Do you like sky?
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, like,
Yeah.
share and
Subscribe.